Hanging at McCarran International Airport today with our friends at Allegiant. It's Big D, and we brought some new trainees. Let's see how this goes.
Yes.
Hi, welcome to Vegas.
Welcome to
How you
Vegas.
doing?
Hey, welcome to Vegas. Hey, enjoy yourself, eh? Hello, sir. Welcome to Vegas.
Hey, welcome to Vegas.
Yeah, enjoy yourself.
Pre-boarders are those who need any extra time or assistance down the jet bridge. And Schmitty will help you with that.
Hear ye, hear ye. All you from Bismarck, thank you for flying Allegiant. And it's flight time! Woo! At this time, we will begin the boarding process from Allegiant Flight 90 with service to Bismarck, North Dakota, where it's about 50 degrees colder. We would like to invite passengers needing extra time or assistance at this time. Pre-boarding passengers, welcome aboard.
Tickets here. Welcome aboard.
Give that to your sister. There's two.
No problem. Yeah, I'm getting it done.
Will's here.
And all of us here at Allegiant and the Vegas Golden Knights and the City of Las Vegas, thank you for coming. Really appreciate your business. See you at T-Mobile for a game next time you come to town. Thank you.
We had so much fun today. Thank you to our friends at Allegiant, and I'm pretty sure everybody's accounted for, so time to get out of here.